Hey everybody, one of the most common questions that we get is what is the availability for a particular item? So in an effort to make that as easy and as quick for you as possible, we've actually included it on our website and I want to show you that here today. The first thing to do is go to slaterlighting.com and then next hover your mouse over line card and then scroll down to decorative and click decorative. So this is going to load up all of our decorative products, and then on the left hand side there's going to be a little search box right here, and I'm going to search for a Corbett item. It's going to be a 216-42. So I put that in, hit enter. Here's the item that I'm looking for. I click that. On the top right, it's going to show you some information about that item, SKU number, height, etc., pricing. And at the very bottom, it does show availability. I'm highlighting it here. As of today, there are 18 units in stock. November 7th of 2018. So if you have any questions, let us know. Hope this helps, and we'll talk to you soon.